Okay, so prettier.jsxSingleQuote. Use single quotes instead of double quotes in JSX. And this actually pertains to the attributes of a tag, right? So it pertains to these double quotes, not these ones, not these ones. Even though this is actually an attribute, you have brackets here, so these don't count. These would count. So let me show you what it looks like actually. So let's set this to true and save again. So we're going to trigger a format on save. Notice that these were changed to single quotes. These were not. These were not. These were. So what's the right criteria here? The truth is, it doesn't really matter because JSX is not valid HTML nor JavaScript, which means that this will actually be transpiled into HTML and JavaScript files, which means that this will be, whether it doesn't really matter if you have single quotes or double quotes, because this will be transpiled into valid HTML, which means double quotes. But because we want consistency, I think it's a good idea to set this one, leave this one in its default value, which is false, so that we always have double quotes, which is the way HTML actually works.